sisters everywhere, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jew, what have you. There's one Father above, and we are all His children. In the final analysis, we are all brothers and sisters, and should practice ahimsa, the foundation of the ancient Indian civilization, which is nonviolence. As Subramania, my beloved friend Subramania Swami, who gave me all types of blessings, always said, not doing anything to hurt anyone is the greatest religion. The divine feminine is not a sissy thing. The divine feminine is love and compassion, which is the mother's mode of behavior. Love and compassion. The whole universe is a manifestation of saguna, form, mother. Nirguna, the supreme male, is beyond form and space and time. Out of him came the seed of creation, which is the mother, the divine feminine, which is love and compassion for all beings, non-hurtfulness, ahimsa, serve one another, don't prey on and hurt one another, because in the final analysis, whatever you do to another will follow a cosmic curve and return to the sender. As they say, what goes around comes around. Everything you throw out returns to you. So throw out love and compassion, ahimsa, non-aggression, non-hurtfulness. Over 6,000 wars from earliest times till now. Needless suffering and death. We don't need any more wars. What we need is brotherhood and sisterhood. Don't forget the female. She's important too. She gives forth to the children that propagates the race. Without the mother, the divine feminine, there would be no creation. There would be no people on earth. She populates the earth from her womb. I remember being in the womb of my mother, and I remember for all the months I waited until I finally came out into this world. So be kind, sweet, gentle, and loving to one another. Don't prey on and hurt one another. Love and compassion is not a sissy thing. The weakling is the one void of love and compassion. It takes strength to manifest love and compassion, sweetness, kindness, and gentleness. Even Mahavatar Babaji, Sri Nataraj, who I waved goodbye to before I descended from Shiva Loka of eternal peace and bliss, was dwelling eternally until I got the message I had to descend. And I said, I don't want to go there. That's an awful place to go. People hurt and kill one another. But then the divine voice said, what God wants you to. And I thought, well, God, the Father of all of us, we're all brothers and sisters, wants me to go, so I can't say no. So I said, okay, then I'll go. And I descended down into the womb of a woman in Boston. So, in final analysis, be sweet, kind, gentle, and loving to yourself and to all others. And that's what you will become, a sacred being instead of a profane being. You will add to the goodness of the world instead of adding more pain and suffering. More pain and suffering we don't need. What we need is a manifestation of the divine feminine, love and compassion for all beings, regardless of age, race, color, or what have you. We are all beautiful colored flowers in the gorgeous garden of God. Black race, white race, yellow race, brown race, polka dots, what have you. So in final analysis, the precious thing is not war, but peace. And let us all add to the peace and wealth of the world by manifesting brotherhood and sisterhood to all beings, regardless of race, color, religion, and so forth. There is really one religion, the religion of love and compassion. Love is the cure-all for the illness of the world. We don't need to be making more armaments, more guns, and more bullets to hurt our brothers across the sea. We need to extend the hand of loving kindness and brotherhood to all beings. God bless everyone, now and always. Om Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Nama Om, 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 Om Tat Sat, Om, Om, Om. Bless everyone. Om.